Hey guys, good morning. It's Tony. I'm just releasing this video to show you guys how accurate TA actually is. Understand that there is no support or resistance around this level, right? The resistance is at 3981 or 3987, whatever, and support. The next big support is 2851. It's bouncing off of trend right here, Ethereum. See, this trend goes all the way back till from August 7th of this year, actually. So it's a smaller trend than normal. The actual trend is actually starting back from July 21, but this mini trend is started August, the beginning of August, and it bounced off these levels. So I actually had a forecast back from September 6th of what I thought Ethereum was actually going to do. So I thought if it actually pushed a little bit harder to the upside, it would have bounced off the 50 MA and then ran back to resistance. But I had my other forecast was actually coming all the way back down and hitting trend, which it actually just did. So it's been respecting trend pretty well, right? And it actually my general area of focus of where I thought price was going to drop was within this little box range. As of right now, though, you really have to monitor Ethereum to see what happens in the next couple of days, because on the daily it looks like it might actually be looking to what does it call it, to actually open up a or close a bullish candle or a bullish trigger on the day for the reverse MACD, but it hasn't actually closed. It's not going to actually close. I don't think this week it's actually going to close a bear week for Ethereum. So Ethereum is not actually, might probably not close a bear week, but Bitcoin actually is. Bitcoin's going to be closing a bear week 100%. And usually when that happens, you see, an overall drop of the whole crypto market anywhere from 30 to 60%, right? Which once that bear week closes on BTC, immediately I'm gonna be bearish. And I already shorted Bitcoin and Ethereum, I think like 4 times in the last couple of days. And as soon as that trigger happens for the weekly on Bitcoin, I'm gonna only be looking for shorts at relative highs or peak highs or whatever. But again, this is just to show you that TA actually does it works, right? There's a reason people do TA, especially for certain things. Obviously, some people's TA doesn't work. I'm not saying mine works 100% of the time, but I like to think that I'm a little bit more accurate than other people, right? But again, this is why you guys should learn just basic stuff, right? Basic stuff. Basic how to how to look for trends, how to mark trends, how to forecast, how to put your support and resistance. Like this can all help you a lot. Whether it be, if you're just an investor, then you should be buying every week or every month. You don't even care about the price, right? But if you're actually going to be trading, then you should be looking for entries like this or exits, right? That's the point of trading. The point of trading is to get the best entry as possible and to get the best exit as possible. And setups like this can definitely help you out in the shorter term, because in the longer term, just putting your money in crypto and not really doing much is definitely proven time and time again that it makes you the most money. Like, why are you going to be trading when you can just put $1,000 into Ethereum and then just kind of let it sit for like the next couple of years, right? It's stress free, whatever. But for those of you that actually are looking for like entries and solid entries and solid exits and all that good stuff, this is why TA matters, because it lets you understand the price action of every single ticker a little bit better, because everything performs differently, right? Ethereum and Bitcoin trade differently than ADA and like Matic or something, right? They trade completely differently. Apple and Microsoft and Amazon, they all trade relatively, they're relatively the same in the same sector, right? But they all have different ways of trading. They don't necessarily follow each other every single day when it comes to like a direct chart path. But again, this video isn't really about whether Ethereum or Bitcoin or any crypto or any stock is going up or down. It's mostly just about to kind of get you guys on board of like, hey, maybe I should really start learning at least the basics of TA, right? I think it's something that everybody should know. There's a lot of videos out there. I post videos of TA all the time. So, maybe take like an hour or two, right? Learn basic structure of the market. Look how to create basic trends. It definitely will help you out 100% in the long term. I promise. See you guys later. Have a great weekend. Bye-bye.